Okay, so today, back on the rocket. Well, should I say today, this evening. Just finished work, come back, and the side ignition's here. So, let me switch it around. So that's it there. Side ignition. That is going to sit where that cover is there. As you can see, that's just popped out. They put ignition in it with all the wiring. The tank's going to come up. When you got your tank up, you've got to look for your ignition connector. There's mine there. Mine's a grey one. It can either be grey or black, but you've got to check before you order the plug. So mine's grey. Now the grey plug. So we're going to get that fitted. Now undo this cover here. You do get two sets of keys for a bottle opener, and that's where I got it from. Just rocket with postage, and that worked out 92 quid. Yeah, I probably could have brought an ignition barrel with a set of keys and done all this myself and rewired it all up myself, but I thought, hey yo, daughter asked what I wanted for Father's Day. I couldn't make my mind up, so I just bought this. So yeah, daughter's brought me this. This is to take it from up here. You see the keys there. Ignition barrel from there, and it'll bring it down here. Yeah, I'm going to have different keys for the tank and the seat, but I'm going to change all that anyway. I'm going to take this barrel out and that barrel out and adjust it so it all works off one key. So yeah, I could have just done it off switches and stuff, but I still want an ignition barrel. So try and get you down there all the time and mess around up there and that. And plus I want to change some things when I put some ape hangers on and that, so it's going to be even more awkward to get to that key. So yeah, we're going to change it. So let's get this side cover off and get this one fitted. So there you go, let's bolt it in. All you do is undo these two here, take the old one off, put your new one in, put these back in, and I threaded the wire, I don't know if you can be able to see this, up behind this frame here so it's away from the engine. That's it here, up out the way, make sure it's all tucked in. So like I said, then I'll cable tie it to that middle frame there. It should be away from the tank. Yeah, it should be away from the tank. Then it'll go up here and it should connect straight into there. Plenty of wire on this, absolute plenty. So I'll plug this in, we'll make sure it works before I start cable tying it all together and go from there. So that's all wired up. There you go, it's plugged in. I've unplugged it from the front ignition. All I'm going to do, cable tie all this up so it's out of the way nice and tidy. Keys in. Let's see. Here we have lights. Straight up work. Yeah. Bonus. You can turn it to 3 as well. So it leaves your lights on. Turn it to position 3, take the key out and it leaves all your lights on. There you go. Key 2 is your ignition and position 1 is off. So there we go, you get 2 keys and a bottle opener. Just saying, just rockets. So like I said, that's where I got it from. I tell you, to fit that, plug it in and that, probably what, 10 minutes. Main thing is getting your tank lifted and check what plug you want. Better get that way. Yeah, check what plug you need. It's either grey or black. I already knew because I had to do all that rewiring. So yeah, mine was grey. It's just plug and play really. So yeah, What I'm going to do is make sure that wire is away from the engine. I'm going to cable tie it over. I say just cable tie it all up so it's out of the way. I might actually run it against me wiring loom down here. So yeah, there we go. Hope this helps people out. She's got a thing for oil, my dog. So yeah, hope this helps people out. This is going to save me a lot of messing around. I'm so used to riding, not pissing in my shed. Get out. So yeah, I'm so used to riding my Thunderbird Storm with an ignition down the side anyway. So yeah, that's a bonus. So if you want to keep your steering wheel locked, you're going to have to keep that key and that ignition barrel. But that might be all going. So yeah, might get rid of all that. As I see it is, this one's going to steal your bike. They're going to steal it, no matter what lock you've got on your bike and that. Out of what I've been riding, I say 30 years, no, about 25 years, and I have never put a steering lock on my bike. Never engaged it. I put your brake lock on, disc locks, chain and that, but I've never locked that steering ever. So yeah, so I know I ain't gonna need it. Next video might be me doing this barrel and my seat barrel so it fits one key. That's if I get around to filming it, but we'll see. Easy enough to do. So yeah, enough job. Pretty quick. Soon you got your tank up out of the way. Yeah. Anyway, catch you next time. Hope this is out. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time. Stay safe.